I once knew a man who said death smiles at us all. And that all a man can do is short Bitcoin. Golly, what a beautiful creature. What Jimbo, may he rest in peace, teaches us, taught us in the earlier days of our channel, for those of you who remember, was that even something that most people fear, your natural instinct to fear, if approached and handled differently, can be a source of infinite joy, profits, happiness, you name it. In fact, that is pretty much everything. You could almost say everything, anything that you fear, that you embrace, can lead to joy and profits and happiness. Someone who has a fear of heights but skydives for the first time to get over it. A young lad who has a fear of talking to women, his crush he's been in love with for years. He gets over his fear for one time and talks to her and realizes she's felt the same way. Happily ever after they live. This 6-hour market cipher has been staring us in the face for quite some time. We've been speaking about this. Boy, I tell you what, if you took this short at the end of the 2/3, we always say we like entering off these waves in the last 2/3, 3/4 of the wave. I didn't. But if you did, and you trusted the indicator, it's paid off. And it doesn't look like it's done paying off either. This looks like it's going to continue paying off to the downside. Anchor trigger waves on the daily. Going to the downside. Four-hour has officially breached into the red. Beautiful, beautiful blood diamond right there. Wow, would you look at that? Beautiful. Plenty of room down, I think. I don't think it's too late to enter shorts. I'm not telling anyone else what to do. Nor am I giving any advice. But I'm entering some. Low leverage. That's for darn sure. What's going on here? Heck. Something wrong. Where's my indicator on the 2-hour? What the heck is going on? Well, great. I guess it's broken on the 1 and 2-hour. That's great. Trading view. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Is it fixed? Is it fixed? What the hell's going on here? All right. Well, we're having technical difficulties. 2-hour. Here we go. Spent a lot of time in the green here going up, man. Time goes by, but everything must come to an end. You know, and you really just got to go with the charts, and it's a shitty feeling. It's a shitty feeling. It feels ugly, doesn't it? Feels ugly in the pit of my stomach. Because like always, it does. When the price goes down, no matter what, even if you are kicking ass and profiting, which we are going to be, there are many others, most others, who are not. I took my first real loss. This morning, in almost 2 months, took my first loss. Last night was in a long. It was green. We were in profit. I always say, you guys always hear me say it, whenever I walk away or go to sleep or do anything away from my computer, you take profits or set stops, so on and so forth. But this time it was different. I fell asleep at my desk again. And it probably happens about once a month. And I woke up, was in the red. We were at like 8,900 something. So didn't look like there was any hope. Took the loss, wiped out about 5 days of gains. Which is all right. You know, it's not it's not about the money to me. It's about, people, I have people that follow me, and losing just always sucks no matter what. But yeah, I fell asleep at my desk, and I woke up with a dead right leg, in a trade that was in the red. So I cut that. Glad I cut it where it was. So I let it ride, it'd be much worse. Tomorrow, or technically today, have a lot to do. It's going to be an exciting week. It's going to be an exciting week. And even though Market Cipher knows and will show you what's going to happen every time, you still have to be the one to enter, exit, not fall asleep at your desk, and do the right thing. Market Cipher is perfect. Market Cipher's perfect. It is such a blessing. Such a blessing. Such a blessing. So yeah. What's to come in the future? I'm looking macro, and it doesn't take a genius. Even when everyone was talking about breakout, it was funny when I was talking with Crow and other people. We did not, the gas was not there. I said, I don't see the gas. I don't see the gas. We were already curving down. I don't see the gas to break up, to break out of this resistance. There was always a chance. We know that. I've said that. Always a chance that we break out, but the gas wasn't. I don't think the gas was there for the most part. There might be maybe 1 day or 2 days where I was like, oh, okay, maybe there was some, but the gas wasn't there. The 4 hour was too telling. This was way too telling. This has been diverging down for quite some time. Since May 10th was today. It's for 2 weeks. Two weeks. Boy, looking at the 90-minute, we're seeing yellow X's. They're here, folks. The first two are the strongest. The first two are the strongest. I'm not too late. I'm not too late. I don't think I'm too late. I don't think we're too late. I don't think we're too late. Whale games are coming. No, I don't know. I think this is going down. I gotta think it's going down. I know money flow's coming up here. We have a little money flow coming up, but there's too much coming down. I'm short. I think there might be a good big drop coming. There might be a good move coming from this 8,700. If I'm wrong, I will fall on the sword. I will fall on the sword if I am wrong. Woo! Another one on the hourly. Yeah. I'm short. I don't know what you're doing. But please, just always protect yourself. And for those of you who've maybe, who maybe followed my long and didn't exit, You know, I apologize. That's the first loss I took in I think it's probably over 2 months. And I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, but we are going to continue kicking so much ass. Man, God, we've been doing so good. And I'm so proud of all of you. Oh my Lord, I almost forgot. God, I knew I was missing something. The Market Cipher survey results. The Market Cipher survey results. Okay, let me pull it up real quick. Alrighty. I had to change the music into something maybe not so melancholy. For the second time, we had a Market Cipher survey where a random 100 people got to fill out our little questionnaire. And let's go over the results. Question 1. How satisfied are you with your Market Cipher purchase? 79% are satisfied or very satisfied. And, you know, I dug into some of the very dissatisfied guys, and, you know, there are a couple of the competition, and they say no on everything. But I am going to count those because I know on the reverse there's people that love me and say whatever. But I think this is accurate. If this is 80% satisfaction, I think that's accurate. Hell yes. Thank you. And to those who are dissatisfied and very dissatisfied, I hope to improve. And I hope we can flip that for you. If you're dissatisfied or very dissatisfied, there's something you're missing, and we need to figure out what it is. Because no one should be unhappy with Market Cipher. Not one person. This should be 100%. And that's the truth. Okay, from day one using Market Cipher, are you in profit or loss? This is a big one, guys. From day one, 31% are in profit. 51% at a loss. 18% are broke even. Now, this number is actually astonishingly good. Do you know what the true percentage that they say traders are profitable? It is not 10%. The whole 10% of traders are successful. It is much worse than that. There was much bigger real studies done where they actually took not just retail traders, but Goldman Sachs and Charles Schwab floor guys. You know what the percentage was? 3%. Hell, even if it was 10%, that's 3 times better than the average. So hell yeah. I'll take 31% in the profit. We're going to try to get more. For sure. Okay, if your trade P&Ls are positive, how much have you gained? So of these 31%, how much have they made? So 16, okay, so hang on a sec. So half of these people answered at a loss. So what that means is these percentages are actually, we can double them technically to make it easy. So 32% have made less than their setup cost. 22% made their cost back to double. 18% 3 to 5x. 4% 5 to 9. And another 22% 10x or more. That makes sense because there's a lot of big, all you have to, you know, people make, there's some people trading a lot. They make 10 grand or 5 grand or more. There's a lot of people who've done that. Would you recommend Market Cipher to a friend? Pretty simple question. 64% say yes, they would. 15% say no. 21% at maybe, unsure. When the Market Cipher affiliate is ready, and folks, it is coming soon, would you be happy with 15% commission on sales? All right, 78% of you said yes. If you're asking for more than that, well, you better have a damn good reason. You better be pumping out some sales. I better see some sales out of you if you're not happy with 15%. with the work and effort that we put. You know, me and my brother are here every day. We pay mods here every day in the Discord and here to try to make things better. We are here every single day to serve you. And it is our joy to do so. So do not forget. Don't forget. There's a lot of work and effort. This isn't just here you go in peace. This isn't a McDonald's Happy Meal. That's not what this community is. That's not what Market Cipher is. Trading experience. I like this question. I kind of screwed up on how to answer. I clicked the wrong thing, but okay. New to 6-month traders, 20%. 6 month to 2 years, our biggest bulk, 67%. 3 to 5 years, 13. 6 to 9, 2. Over 10 years, 4%. That means 88% of you guys have less than 2 years of experience. And for the results that we're getting, if 88% have less than 2 years and we have 31% are profitable, another 15 break even, that's astonishing. Very proud of you guys. And it's you guys. You guys are the ones pulling the trigger with doing the action. Market Cipher is not doing it for you. It just shows you the way, shows you the door. Okay, if you have less than 2 years of experience trading, has Market Cipher made you a better trader? Has Market Cipher, do you feel, made you a better trader? 67% say yes. 15 say no. 17 does not applicable. So I should have, so what? We got to add like 1/5. It's basically 15, 67. So it's 4 to 1. So we can actually say it's about 80%. 4 out of 5 say it's made them better. Okay. Now, if you've had over 2 years of experience, have it made you better? Okay, 29 to 12. Okay. So this is about 2.5 to 1. And 2.2 to 1. Can't show some of the comments because there's a few guys that there's language we don't want to see, but there's a lot of comments, of course, about more tutorials always. I know that. Thank you to all of you who took the time to do this. Thank you to all of you who are using Market Cipher. I appreciate it. We're going to keep kicking ass. And I cannot wait for the Market Cipher standalone dashboard affiliate. It's almost ready. Won't be much longer. I can't wait to pay you guys on sales, on crusading. And you know, you can build a business, you can build a real company around selling Market Cipher. All right. I think that's it. Good luck. I'm in some low leverage shorts. And shout out to Jimbo the Bear. A wonderful bear he was.